Hi, I'm Roshni from A3. I'm going to speak about Srinivasan Ramanujan. Ramanujan, the Indian mathematical genius, also hailed as an all-time great mathematician, has made significant contributions to the field of mathematics. Ramanujan in his younger days. Ramanujan was born in 1887 in Erode. During his early years, his family lived in a small house at Kumbakonam. The house is now being converted into a museum in memory of Ramanujan. This is a house of Ramanujan in Kumbakonam, which is now a museum. This is a statue of Srinivasa Ramanujan. Ramanujan started his schooling at Gangayan Primary School and later joined the town IA Secondary School. It was here that Ramanujan was first exposed to pure mathematics. This is a town IA Secondary School in Kumbakonam. Srinivasa Ramanujan has studied in this school. At school, he stood out because of his brilliance and astounding proficiency in various branches of mathematics. Upon graduation, he was awarded the K. Ranganatha Rao Prize in Mathematics. The bust of Ramanujan at the school in Kumbakonam. But this genius also faced a few failures in his life. He was unable to obtain a scholarship at the prestigious Government Arts College in Kumbakonam because he failed in English. Later, he joined Pachayappa's College in Chennai, but he had no discontinue his studies because of an illness. He conducted his research in mathematics independently and lived on very little money. This is a Pachayappa College at Chennai. Srinivasa Ramanujan is studied in this college. In 1909, he married 9-year-old Janaki, and in 1911, his first contribution to the Indian Mathematical Society was published. Central Cabinet Minister Mr. K. Sandhanam and President of Bodha Vidya Bhavan, Mr. C. Subramaniam, with Mr. Janaki Ramanujan at a residence. Changed for the better when he joined the Madras Port Trust in the Accountants Department and received a salary of ₹30 a month. He moved to Tribhuvan, Chennai with his mother and wife. The house at Tribhuvan, Chennai, where Ramanujan stayed with his wife and mother. In 1913, Ramanujan first wrote to Professor G.H. Hardy, an English mathematician. This marked the beginning of a unique friendship between the mathematical geniuses and resulted in the publishing of 100 co-authored papers. In one letter he wrote to Hardy, Ramanujan said, "I have found a friend in you, views my labor sympathetically." Professor G.H. Hardy and Ramanujan, with the help of Professor Hardy and on the recommendation of E.H. Neville and Gilbert Walker, another fellow at the Trinity College, Ramanujan secured a scholarship of ₹75 a month from the University of Madras. This is University of Madras. In early 1914, Ramanujan left for England abroad, SS Nevada, with a scholarship of £250 a year from 2 years. In April 2014, he joined Trinity College and later went to Cambridge. In 1980, he became the first Indian to be elected fellow at the Royal Society at the Trinity College, Cambridge. University of Cambridge. As he continued to suffer from his illness, Ramanujan returned to India in 1990. He expired on April 26, 1920 in Madras. Photograph of Ramanujan displayed at the Ramanujan Museum and Math Education Center, Rayapuram at Chennai. Ramanujan's last notebook, consistency of more than 100 pages, was discovered in 1976 by George Andrews, an American mathematician. Of the discovery, another American mathematician, Bennett, says in the book, Raiders of the Lost Notebook, the discovery of this lost notebook, cost roughly as much stir in the mathematical world as the discovery of Beethoven's 10th symphony would cast in the musical world. Last notebooks of Ramanujan published by Bruce C. Burnett on display at the Chennai Museum. Certificates of accomplishments and pictures from the life of Srinivasa Ramanujan. Janaki Ramanujan and Professor George Andrews at the centenary celebration of Ramanujan. May the life and achievements of this genius inspire many. His contributions to his mathematical fields. He has made extraordinary contribution in the field of mathematics, analysis, number theory, infinite series and continued fractions, and the most inspiring thing about him is that all these were achieved without a formal education in mathematics. It is his love and passion that led him to pursue mathematics at a very informal level. H contribute more than others. Let's have a look at 5 amazing, inspiring facts about Ramanujan. We see 2 quotes of Srinivasa Ramanujan. No, it is very interesting number. It is the smallest number expressible as a sum of 2 cubes in 2 different ways. An equation means nothing to be unless it expresses a thought of God. Srinivasa Ramanujan was birth on 22 December. On 22 December, we are celebrating the National Mathematics Day. He died on 26 April 1920. Thank you. Have a nice day.